All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Yesterday, I told you I was working at a fire station, and that is the case. So I was working around some fire trucks and stuff like that, so it was cool. But anyways, working on mounting this disconnect and hooking up this air compressor unit right here. You'll hear that shortly. But basically, I have this whip on it already with a 1¼ inch flex. So I mounted this disconnect, and then I worked in this room. My coworker worked on the other side of the room, and we piped it back to one of the panels and hooked it up, and that was pretty much it. If you're wondering what that road noise is, that's because I'm sitting in traffic making a video for you guys, so those are cars driving by. So I don't know if I've ever made a video in traffic before, but this is a first. So anyways, we piped over into this panel right here. Not really a panel, but more of a switch key or something like that. So ran 1-inch conduit, and then we pulled some number 4, I believe it was, some number 4 copper wire over to the disconnect, and then I hooked up the disconnect on the line and the load, and then turned it on, made sure it all worked, and then that was pretty much it. So pretty easy, straightforward, just mounting some 1-inch conduit. My coworker bent all the pipe. On this side, I bent the other side with the offset into the LBs and stuff, like into the LB, and that was pretty much it. So just bent some pipe, strapped it to the wall, pulled the wire through it, and then hooked up the disconnect, and that was pretty much it. So it only took about 3 hours, so that's why this video is so early today, because this is all I did today. So next week will be more busy. I'll be out of town, and I'll be able to make videos after work, so it'll be super nice. So anyways, that should do it. All right, everyone, thanks so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed the video. So now it is officially my weekend at like 11 o'clock. I was off of work, so that's nice. I didn't get a full 40 this week, but that's fine. I'm making extra money, so who needs a full 40 anyways? But I'll get my 40 next week, get some travel pay next week, so I'll get like $525 out of town for travel pay, so that'll be sweet. So that's going to be exciting, so I can't wait to see that check. But anyways, got my last paycheck from my last company, and my new company paid me for an hour or something for Friday for like filling out paperwork or something, so that was cool. So maybe I'll make a video about that, how much money you make in Washington and the union or whatever. And then I'm not sure, Oregon will probably take out like another $4 an hour for taxes or whatnot. But anyways, just running a few errands, so hopefully you guys have a great weekend. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe. I'd love to see you guys back here in the next video. Check out the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day, and stay tuned for tomorrow's update video or big news reveal for the channel, which is going to be great. So can't wait to share that with you guys. God bless. Peace out.